Look in the camera, please. Paleo Haul, Part 2.
Bam.
Action!
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Tanya. I'm an integrative health coach. I do videos on health, fitness, and nutrition. Today I'm showing you my top Paleo Grocery Haul specialty items. This is part 2 of my Paleo Grocery Haul series. Part 1 was all about the absolute essentials that you need. This one, you don't need these foods, but I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty dang and nice to have around. All of these products are gonna replace your usual grain-filled favorites with amazing paleo-friendly alternative. I will mention that everything in this video is from Natura Market, which is an online health food store that has amazing paleo, Whole30, and keto-friendly foods. This video is not sponsored, but I do have a link in the description box that will get you $10 off your first order with them. And of course, I am super duper grateful if you do use my link. If you do use it, snap a picture with your haul and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My handle is @thefithealthcoach. Alright, I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. If you are excited as I am for this video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to be freestyling a little bit with this. I got my box right here, all the goods. Again, all of this from Natura Market. A lot of these products are replacing grain-filled favorites like pancakes, tortilla chips, all that stuff. I also have a few condiments that I definitely want to mention because they are my absolute favorite. So let's get right into it. Let's start with one of my favorites. I got addicted to these in a recent trip to California. I discovered the brand Siete, and yeah, I ate a lot of their chips while I was there. But thankfully, in Canada, you can't get them in stores, but you can get them through Natura Market. So that's what I've been doing. They have a lot of variety. I love a lot of them, but this one is just a sea salt tortilla chips, and it's perfect. It goes with everything, so that's kind of my go-to. And of course, it is paleo-friendly, so it's not actually made with corn. The ingredients in this is cassava flour, avocado oil, coconut flour, ground chia seed, and sea salt. Super simple, so I highly recommend picking this one up if you just miss tortilla chips. Okay, next up I have another absolute favorite of mine. I actually did a little like taste testing about like grain-free crackers not too long ago because I was determined to find the best one. And yeah, this is my favorite. So these are the fine ground sea salt almond flour crackers by Simple Mills. So really love these because they taste exactly like crackers. A lot of paleo-friendly crackers, in my opinion, taste very seedy, and I'm not a fan. I really like these because they just taste like there's actually flour in here. So the ingredients are a nut and sea flour blend, which includes almonds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds. We got some tapioca starch, cassava flour, sunflower oil, sea salt, organic onion, organic garlic, and rosemary extract. Rosemary extract is a antioxidant, so it just keeps the crackers fresh. So yeah, I love having these as like anything that I would usually want crackers with. It's amazing. Alright, if you've been missing pancakes on the paleo diet, then you are in for a treat. So this pancake mix by Birch Benders is amazing. So it's just super simple. I know you could technically make your own, and that's great if you do that. But you know, sometimes we can be lazy, and that's okay. So Birch Benders is here to save the day. We can still have Pancake Sunday, and they're really good, honestly. Again, the ingredients are cassava starch, organic coconut flour, almond flour, eggs, and then we got some salt and monk fruit and some spice. So that's really it. Really simple, and all you have to do is add water. So you don't need like a ton of other ingredients. Wait, is there eggs as well? Or is it just water? It's just water, guys. Just water. Alright, next up I got some cassava flour. So, if you watch part 1 of this Paleo Grocery Haul series, I mentioned 2 of my favorite flours to bake with, which is almond flour and coconut flour, and those I almost use them on a weekly basis. and you can find them pretty much anywhere. But cassava flour is a little bit harder to find, so I was able to find it in the Natura market. This is by the brand Otos. And yeah, it's really good for any other, like, I don't know, you can do just a little bit more than things that almond flour and coconut flour are not ideal for. So they actually have a grain-free tortilla recipe in the back here, and I'd love to try that because I've had almond flour tortillas before and I was not sold, honestly. Definitely want to try this recipe here. And yeah, so it's just, it's cassava as a root, so that's all it is. Speaking of tortillas, if you don't want to get your cassava flour and make your own tortillas, you can get these cassava coconut or coconut cassava wraps. So I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tried these yet. So I've been seeing this brand forever and I've been seeing everyone loving them. So I took the risk, I'm including them in the video, but I'm gonna have to try them real soon and I'll let you guys know on Instagram in my stories or in my feed. I post there daily how I like them and what I do with them. I feel like they'd be really good with like a little breakfast burrito. Has some eggs in there and a few other things, but also just as like regular like fajitas or tacos in here. Yeah. So I will let you guys know what I think, but I do think it's an amazing, like, innovative product. Where are the ingredients? Right here. So we got coconut meat, fresh cassava, and coconut water. That's legit it. So it's, you know, it's vegan, it's raw, it's gluten-free, paleo, grain-free, all the good. So I really hope it tastes good because then that is definitely a winner. All right, so those are my favorite grain-free products, of like products that are usually filled with grains. Now let's move on to condiments. So one of my favorite condiments is mayo. So absolutely love mayo, but unfortunately mayo that you're gonna find in stores is full of canola oil and a lot of these highly refined oils that most of the time are already oxidized and not good for you. So I love this brand, Chosen Foods. You can also get the Primal Kitchen brand. They also do an avocado oil mayo, but I really like this one. I kind of just stick to this one, and it's just a traditional mayo, and the ingredients are avocado oil, so none of that crappy canola oil, organic frozen egg yolks, what else? Vinegar, water, organic frozen whole eggs, organic Dijon mustard, organic vinegar, salt, organic spices, salt again, organic rosemary extract. Not sure why salt's on there twice, but anyways, it did sound like a little bit more, but those are kind of your typical, if you made like a homemade mayo, those are the ingredients you would use. Again, you can make it yourself at home, but this is just a nice alternative that's ready to go in the fridge. All right, last two products. So this is from a brand that I just found. Again, they are available on Natura market. It's good food for good. I avoided barbecue sauces, ketchup, that kind of stuff for the longest time because they are full of sugar, just like the conventional one. And I recently found this brand and I'm obsessed. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know it. But these are organic and they are sweetened with dates. So they don't add any sugar and the ingredients are super simple. You know, water, apple cider vinegar, tomato paste, what else? Date paste, onion powder, spices, sea salt, garlic powder, only good stuff. And they are paleo, keto, and Whole30 friendly. So I've just been stocking up. They have a few options. They got ketchup, spicy ketchup, barbecue sauce, and then they have a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce as well. So if you need to kind of revamp your barbecue and ketchup with something that is free of sugar, then definitely check these out. Again, it's good food for good. So really like them, and it's organic, and they're made in Canada. Boop, boop. All right guys, sadly that is the end of the haul. So many good products though, but definitely check out Natura Market. Again, there's a link in my description box that will get you $10 off your first order. Check their stuff out. There's honestly a ton. You can be on there for a while. That's like my online shopping. I'll just like scroll through They're awesome products. And let me know what you pick up. I'd love to see what you get in your haul. So again, tag me on Instagram at the Fit Health Coach. If you enjoyed this video and you learned about a few new products, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Really appreciate it when you do. And of course, if you don't want to miss any future videos, then definitely subscribe and click the notification bell. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single minute you spend with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Be good.